My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volvo XC40. This vehicle has done just over 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. And on the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our home screen, we can access our applications, which includes our Apple and Android CarPlay, download center, driver performance and car status. On the second page we have our main features, which include navigation, radio, smartphone integration and again our car status. On the final page is our car functions. This includes park assist, lane keeping aid and cross traffic alert. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our drive mode button. From here we can switch between comfort for everyday use, dynamic for high performance, eco for efficient drive, and off-road for rough road. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.